Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the solution of serverless data processing with Dataflow, monitoring, logging and error reporting for the Dataflow jobs. And it is a part of the Arcade June 2024 level 1. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing solutions. Let's get started with the lab. Just click on the start lab button. Now copy the password, open the Google Cloud in an incognito window, click on the next button, paste the password and click on the next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick this checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now open the cloud shell, maximize the size, click on continue. Click on got it. Now go back to the lab instruction, come to the task. Copy this first command, paste it here and hit the enter key. Now we are creating virtual environment for your work in the lab. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command from here, paste it here and hit the enter key. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the third command, go to the shell and paste it here and hit the enter key. Now click on authorize. Now minimize the size of cloud shell. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now copy the alerting from the here and go to the cloud console, paste it here and you can see the alerting and monitoring. Click on it. Now we will be creating the policy. For that, just click on the create policy button at the top. Now click on the select a matrix. Now deactivate the active option. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this Dataflow jobs and go to the cloud console, paste it here and you can see there is a Dataflow job. Click on the job and then you have to select the field. Click on the field option and click on apply. Now for the rolling window function, you have to select sum. Just click on the next button. Now for the threshold value, just enter 0 and click on the next button. Now for the notification channel, you have to click on the drop down and click on the manage notification channel and scroll down. You have to add a new email. Now for the email address, you have to add any personal email. I am entering Vashisht Techie @gmail.com. You can enter your any personal email you want. Now for the name, go back to the lab instruction and for the name, copy this, scroll it down and copy this quick lab student and go to the cloud console, paste it in the display name and save it out. Now go back to the creating and alerting policy. Just now click on the drop down arrow, you get a quick lab student. Just tick the checkbox and click on OK. And for the alert name at the bottom, you go back to the cloud lab instructions and copy this failed Dataflow job and go to the cloud console, paste it here and hit the next button and then click on create policy. Now you can see that there is a pop-out that alert policy failed Dataflow job has saved. Now go back to the lab instruction, just click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now we will move doing our task 3. For that, copy this second command from here, go to the cloud console, open the shell and in the you have to enter NANO, that is nano, then space and then enter the command that we copied. Just enter this. Now you get this type of intercept. Now go back to the lab instructions. Now copy the first command from here, paste it here and for the save, just press Ctrl plus X, then Y and then enter. So our command is saved. Now we have to Now we will be doing, after you paste the code into the file, make sure your file should be saved. For the saving, I will repeat the process again. Just click on the Ctrl X and our file is saved. Now you can go back to the lab instruction and scroll it down and copy the fourth command from here, paste it here and hit the enter key. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fifth command from here, paste it in the cloud shell and press the enter key. Now go back to the lab instruction. We should get a syntax error, but we doesn't get the syntax error, so we will be doing this task again. Just copy the second command from here, and again type nano and space nano and paste the command and press enter. Now we have to save this file. For the saving, press Ctrl X Y, but I file doesn't save. Rerun this and press Ctrl X Y and then enter. Y, then enter. Rerun this command until you should have to get the. Now Ctrl X. Now type Y. Now press enter. Now press enter. Rerun the command again and you have to save this. Ctrl S. Now Ctrl X, press Y, then enter. Now